Hi guys, so today I'll be leaving from New Delhi, and this is the time that I had never expected would come that early. This was this really crazy coronavirus time, and so we will have to leave finally. And we're leaving. That's here. We're at the airport. Hi guys, you have seen my Instagram post and I have said that I have left Delhi. Why did I leave Delhi? So I thought of making this video and having a personal connect and talk with you so that I can just let you know why I did leave Delhi. So yes guys, I have left Delhi. 17th was my dad's birthday, 19th was my brother's birthday, 20th is my cousin's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Nelly. Happy birthday to you. May अब हम चेकिंग करा रहे हैं. I'm actually feeling better now because like the sea is colder and हवा आ रही है. Hi guys, so finally I have reached gate number 47. पहले this was let me just take this off for like a minute. Okay, I can't take it off properly. I don't know, it's very confusing what to do. If I take it off, I feel guilty. And if I don't take it off, you can't hear me. This has been a very crazy journey till now. And it's my little brother's birthday. So I'm going to ask him some questions about how his day has been going till now. She's going to, my sister, my best sister, she's going to ask me some questions on how my birthday is going. So she started with the first question, which was regarding how is it going till now. I'm like, it's awesome. Like, see, it's been a while I've traveled by plane, right? So, like, coming here and seeing everybody in masks, it's just freaking me out. And see, every time I put sanitizer, it gets torn. Why? This one already got torn. So, narrate, how's you feeling about going to Silchar? Silchar, like, see, it's been a while I went to Silchar. How long has it been? 3 years. What? 3-4 years. Okay. I mean like in class 4th I think so I went last year. Yeah. In class 4 summer vacation. When I was in class 4, now I'm in 8th, let's go. And today is my birthday which makes me 13. Officially 13. I used to tell everybody that I am 13 but no. I am officially teen now. Nice. So that way I'm very happy and going to Silchar, meeting my granddad again. Let's go. I'm so happy. So what are you expecting? What's going to happen in Silchar? I don't know. Happiness is bursting out of me. Really? What is a home quarantine? It's like you have to stay in quarantine like for 14 days.
which like it's actually a good step taken by the government. Like,
So how has 2020 been till now? One word.
full of no, uh, adventurous.
All right. So 2020 has been adventurous for you, and you're really having fun, and this is very different experience for you. That's great. You're taking it in the
No,
positive.
hey,
Hi.
how's been your experience till now?
My experience till now has been simply in one word, crazy.
Okay.
Crazy hometown, and I really really love that place. That's one of the most beautiful place in the world. I feel. वहाँ के लोग इतने अच्छे हैं. Everybody is so sweet and everyone is so nice, kind and so own. You feel. It's a beautiful place. Even though it's amazing. So I'm gonna like take you out for a tour in. And I'm gonna vlog this thing entire journey. It's been a long time I've gone there, and I love that place. So yeah. अभी तो हम जाने वाले हैं और मेरे सारे वीडियोस अब वहाँ से आएंगे एंड आई विल कीप यू गाइस अपडेटेड एंड आई एम गोना गो इन अ होम क्वारंटाइन सो फॉर 14 डेज इट्स गोना बी क्रेजी. ऐसा नहीं है कि क्वारंटाइन का आदत नहीं है. पिछले 3 महीने से मैं क्वारंटाइन हो रही इन दिल्ली. कहीं पे जाना कुछ भी करना नो नथिंग हैपनिंग. नो रेस्टोरेंट नो नथिंग. हाँ ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था.
Huh.
ओके हाँ बोलो.
Why do you like Silchar?
सिलचर
Yeah, like what are like the main reasons? Top 10 main reasons.
टॉप 10.
Top 10.
First, the air in Silchar. It's very nostalgic. I love the air there. It's just so beautiful. You know?
Okay.
Very peaceful. Second, my बचपन में till 5th grade I studied in Silchar. तो बचपन की याद है like till my 5th grade. Third, Kacha Kanti Bari. It is so powerful. It's one of the most powerful mandirs in the entire world. I feel. Very powerful mandir. Fourth, people here there are very honest and very genuine. No fakeness. People are real there. I love the clouds there. It's like the time zone. It's a different time zone, you know. It's not the Delhi time zone. तो दिल्ली में जब 6:30 में सनराइज होता है, सिलचर में 5:40 अराउंड हो जाता है. तो टाइम इज वेरी you know earlier there. Like entire Assam, you know, they have an earlier sunrise, earlier sunset. Nights are longer and days start faster. It's beautiful. It's like you go to a different time zone altogether. कितना बोला 6, 7. वहाँ पे ना people speak Sylheti. That's my native language. Even though I don't speak much in it, but I love the way they speak it very fluently. Nature, it's so filled with nature. So many like real tea leaves and gardens, and it's not like a place where it's not like Kashmir and it's not like Delhi also. It's very different. So the foothills of Himalaya is very different. The Silchar is a valley, so you won't get too many forests out there. It's a very beautifully placed place. I just love the feel there. एक अलग सा अपनापन टाइप का. सब सबको जानते हैं, सब फैमिली ऐसा लगता है. सिलचर में wherever I go, it's family है. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई बाहर के लोग हैं. मम्मी पापा सब लोग बैठ के everybody knows everybody. It's so cool that way. It's so like family place. All my friends, my bachpan के friends are there. So many friends there. Dad, so many friends. सबके friends there.
9th.
9. सिलचर के लोग बहुत intelligent है. Everybody is very intelligent.
No,
Everybody
that
is
comes
so
in the 8th part.
No, intelligence is different. People are very intelligent. They're like
You said people are good.
good
Okay,
and
fine.
intelligent is different. ना.
Okay.
Good तो कहीं पे भी अच्छे हो सकते हैं. Stupid and अच्छे भी हो सकते हैं. But I feel Silchar people are very pro studying and intelligence and lot of engineers, doctors. Everybody is engineers and doctors there. Like very highly educated. You might find a guy who might be very poor, but he might be like very well educated, doing great stuff for himself. So very respectable. 10th, 10th I see a lot of scope for improvement. Like I get my dreams back. I get all the dreams and things I want to do there. So that kind of inspires me.
What do you think about home quarantine? That's the third question.
Home quarantine is an extremely amazing experience because I believe in meditation and doing yoga and stuff. तो जब आप अपने साथ टाइम स्पेंड करके एंजॉय करते हो, दैट इज़ ट्रू हैप्पीनेस. हमेशा बाहर देख के किसी और के साथ ही टाइम स्पेंड करना ज़रूरी नहीं होता है. व्हेन यू कैन स्पेंड टाइम विद योरसेल्फ, दैट शोज दैट यू आर एन इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन एंड एंजॉयिंग योर ओन सेल्फ कंपनी इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स लाइक रियली वेरी नाइस द एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू गेट फ्रॉम होम क्वारंटाइन. This little angel is so smart. I knew it's his birthday, and there was just someone else sitting here in my place, and I was supposed to sit there, there. And I was like very sad because he's here. And he told him to go, and he was so sweet that he left. So yeah, we're sitting together.
You know, when he took the swab, but he put it so hard in my nose that I sneezed and he got so scared. He was like, "Bas."
So we had COVID test right now. That car's also ours. That is going. Ted comes to pick us up. And Piche mom dad's coming here. Me and Prince is going. This is my sister. Finally you can see her in the video. And we just look at this. This is Kacha Gandhi Bari. Can you see? This is तो corona नहीं है. This is Kacha Gandhi Bari. And I'm entering into the Kacha Gandhi Bari, and you can see Prince here. And I will record you for Instagram. And this is how I got the Mundan also done.
Yes, laga. करा कि his birthday doesn't go like a board there. So I was really like craving for
being around the nature. You know, when you're living in a good city like Delhi, everything is amazing, but the concrete jungle can get to you. Like sometimes you want to just have fresh air and breathe in a place which is filled with nature. So I have been like longing to be in nature, and thankfully, my hometown is like in a place where there is enough nature. Silchar is a valley, it's called Barak Valley, and it's not like on the mountain tops where you have like a lot of mountainous kind of thing, but this is the northeastern part of the Himalayas, so it's a little different and it's a valley. So guys, I absolutely love how this place is like blessed with so much nature, and like just outside my window I look and there are like coconut trees and betel nut trees, guava trees, jam trees. Oh my god, like so many trees, and I've been like longing to be in nature for the longest time. So when I look outside, I feel really very happy, and yeah, maybe I had too much of a city life. I wanted a break. So it's not like this place is not a city, but it's got like bounty of nature, and that's what I wanted. Okay, so the next question is, my sister noted down the questions for me. So I'll read it from there. How were COVID-19 specific measures in Assam's airport? How were COVID specific measures good in Assam airport? So guys, I have to tell you that I was really impressed to see the kind of measures the government of Assam has been taking to protect the people of the state and not let the virus come in. So that's why you must be seeing that the number of cases in Assam is pretty low. So it is really nice to see that they have been taking really strong measures to like keep it in check. So yeah, firstly the flight was firstly Guwahati was the first stop. So our flight was from Delhi to Silchar via Guwahati. So we had a 30 minutes layoff in Guwahati, but in that 30 minutes they had so much precautions they were taking from the airport side and from the SpiceJet Airways side. They asked us to like get down from the flight for just 30 minutes, and they sanitized the flight again. So which was a very good thing to do. I really liked it that they had taken that measure of sanitizing it. And then when I reached Silchar, I was really impressed to see the kind of measures they have been taking. First of all, everybody were asked after getting down from the flight to stand in the queue of say males and females, and all the bags that a person had was sanitized. Like all the handbags were sanitized, each and every handbag was sanitized. Then there was a queue which was moving forward, then you had to sanitize your hands. Then there was a person who was taking temperature for every single person. Now there are like two constituencies here. One is Silchar, the other one is Karimganj and Hailakandi. So they made sure that the people of Silchar who are entering into Silchar stand in the queue which is inside the airport, and there are people who are going to the other constituency, Karimganj and Hailakandi, they are going outside the airport, and they are all standing in a queue, and they would report the temperature that has been taken to a person. The person would write down the temperature and give them a slip of what the temperature is. And then they in fact had a COVID test done there. So the swab collection test was done. I got my test done. And also for the people who are serving the government, for the officials of the government, if they are traveling from to Assam, like Assam government officials with their families, they would be like home quarantine.